Yo, I'm the green hat, just starting the ride. A learner in shadows, with eyes open wide. Not a black hat, not white, I'm fresh in the game. Building skills, chasing knowledge, igniting the flame. Green hat hacker, the curious mind. Breaking safe boundaries, the ethical kind. No chaos, no crime, just passion and grind. Learning the codes that the pros have defined. From noob to ninja, the journey is long. Cracking the basics, then moving strong. Virtual labs, safe zones to test. Exploring exploits, putting skills to rest. Wireshark sniffing, packet by packet. nmap scanning, never off track yet. Metasploit's playground, Cali on deck. Trial and error, I earn my respect. Green hats break it, but never for harm. Testing the limits, sounding alarms. They build their toolkit, one command at a time. Learn encryption, firewalls and protocol lines. They don't hack to steal, just hack to learn. Making mistakes so they won't burn. They follow the rules, respect the law. Avoiding the traps where black hats draw. Always reading, watching, asking the wise. From forums, books, to YouTube guides. Ethics are key, they keep it clean. Their mission's clear, stay lean, stay green. Green hat hacker, learning the code. Breaking it safe on this hacking road. Building the stack from ground to sky. Future's bright, watch me fly high. Tools in hand, passion lit. Every exploit's a perfect hit. Seed of the future, rising fast. One day I'll master this hacking craft. They're the apprentices in the hacker clan, training to join the ethical fan. White hats respect their dedication. Black hats fear their future infiltration. Green means growth, green means start. They study the science, they learn the art. Soon they'll pen test and audit code. Help build the systems that keep us all whole. They don't crave fame or a flashy rep, just knowledge gained with every step. Mistakes are teachers, failures fuel. Green hats hustle by the golden rule. Every expert once wore green, started small, unseen between. The key is patience, grit and grind. The hacker's path, one of a kind. From script cuties to cyber kings, green hats rise, the future brings. With every bite and every hack, they prepare to lead the cyber pack. The masters you fear once learned like me. Green hat today, tomorrow the key. Green hat hacker, learning the code. Breaking it safe on this hacking road. Building the stack from ground to sky. Future's bright, watch me fly high. Curious minds to skilled pros. Green hat grows as the system knows. Learning, failing, then shining bright. The future's green, the hacker's light.